Grayson loves his big sister. Go, Gray, Gray, go. We're playing piano together. Hey, Gray, Gray. You playing with your sister? You like it, huh? What a big man. What a big guy you are. Itsy bitsy spider under the water spout. Grayson loves his big sister. Show him what to do next, Daves. This is my babysitter, apparently. Go, Gray, Gray, go. You showing him how to do the piano waves?
I'm in it with it.
Yeah, you are. You have some fun hair from Nap, huh? And you sit in your chair?